You wake up, check your phone, and that one number in your bank app quietly decides your mood for the day, whether you feel stressed, confident, or behind in life. But here's the part no one explains. That number isn't really money, it's a promise. Banks don't lock your cash in a vault with your name on it. They lend it out, multiply it through loans, and create new money as debt. Governments do the same by borrowing from central banks, which control interest rates. When rates drop, money floods the system, spending increases, and life feels easier until prices rise. That's inflation, and it's why everything feels expensive, even when you're working nonstop. This system quietly rewards one behavior and punishes another. Saving cash sounds responsible, but inflation slowly eats it away. While owning assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, lets your money grow with the system. That's why it looks like some people get richer without trying harder. They're playing a different game. School trained you to be consistent, avoid risk, get a job, and save, which worked in a stable world. But today's financial system runs on movement, leverage, and ownership, leaving a lot of people burned out, procrastinating, and blaming themselves when the real issue is that no one showed them the map. That map is simple. There are workers who trade time for money, borrowers who use future income to survive today, and owners who control assets that produce income. The system pushes you toward working and borrowing while barely mentioning ownership. The way out isn't becoming a finance expert overnight. It's small, intentional steps. Understand your cash flow, reduce high-interest debt, and start owning something, even if it's tiny. Money isn't the goal. Time and flexibility are. You're not broken or behind. You were just never taught the rules. Take 10 minutes tonight to see where your money actually goes. No judgment. We're not trying to get rich overnight. We're trying to get free over time. Let's level up together.